Hi, my name is Laurie Norton, owner of Beach Life Mosaics, and I'd like to take a couple of minutes to let you know what my business is all about. Beach Life Mosaics is a mobile company that I started in 2013. We teach people the basics of mosaics at both public and private events. These events are great for birthday parties, team builders, and get-togethers. We will provide you with all of the materials and tools that you need to make your one-of-a-kind mosaic. At one of our 2 to 3 hour classes, we will teach you the methods for designing your mosaic and how to cut and place your tiles. There are over 6 dozen projects to choose from, which can be viewed on the website under our Projects tab. Everyone can make something different. Our prices start at $18 for the kids and $30 for the adults. We do recommend ages 8 and up for our mosaic classes. Once you decide on a project, you may register for one of our public classes under our Book Now tab. If you've signed up for a private party, simply email us on our contact page. After you complete your mosaic, your adhesive has to dry. You will be sent home with a grouting kit, which includes your color choice of white, tan, gray, or black grout, your sealer, and instructions. If you've ever wanted to learn the basics of mosaics and didn't know where to start, come take a class with us. We make it fun and easy. We hope to see you soon.